Hello and welcome to Sort of Cells classes. Today we are going to solve one problem from Test of Mathematics at 10+2 level, which is well known by Tomato. This book is published by Indian Statistical Institute to help the students who want to join I.S.I, and they are preparing for different entrances in I.S.I. So let's see what is in this question. We are given a figure, and in this adjoining figure we can see that CZ is perpendicular to XY. Okay, therefore CZ is a perpendicular on XY, and the ratio of the lengths AZ to ZB, AZ to ZB is 1:2. Okay, the angle ACX is alpha and the angle BCY is beta. Now we have to find an expression for the angle AZC in terms of alpha and beta. So let's try to solve this problem. First of all, let the angle AZC is equals to theta. Now, angle ZCA is therefore 90 degree minus alpha, and this implies angle CAZ is equals to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus alpha minus theta, which is equals to 90 degree minus alpha minus theta. Okay, now from triangle AZC we get CZ divided by sine 90 degree plus alpha minus theta, that is the side CZ and the sine of its opposite angle, is equals to AZ divided by sine 90 degree minus alpha. As we can see that the opposite angle of AZ is the angle ACZ, and the angle ACZ or ZCA is 90 degree minus alpha. Therefore, we write sine 90 degree minus alpha, and the opposite angle of the side is CZ is angle A or angle CAZ, and this is 90 degree minus alpha minus theta. So we write sine 90 degree plus alpha minus theta. Okay. Therefore, we get CZ divided by cos alpha minus theta is equals to AZ by cos alpha. Let this be the equation 1. Now, angle ZCB is equals to 90 degree minus beta. And this implies angle CBZ is equals to 180 degree minus 180 degree minus theta minus 90 minus beta. Okay, as we can see that by the question, angle BCY is beta, therefore angle ZCB is 90 degree minus beta, 90 degree minus beta, and angle CBZ will be 180 degree minus 180 degree minus theta. As this angle is theta, therefore this is 180 degree minus theta, therefore this is 180 minus 180 minus theta minus 90 minus beta. Okay, and this reduces to, after some operations with this, reduces to minus of 90 degree minus theta plus beta. Okay, now from triangle BZC we get CZ divided by sine minus 90 degree minus theta plus beta is equals to Bz divided by sine 90 degree minus beta, and this implies that Cz divided by minus cos theta plus beta is equals to Bz divided by cos beta. Okay. Now dividing the two equations 1 and 2, we get minus cos theta plus beta divided by cos alpha minus theta is equals to Az cos beta divided by Bz cos alpha. Hence expanding this, we get sin theta sin beta minus cos theta cos beta divided by cos alpha cos theta minus plus sin alpha sin theta is equals to cos beta divided by 2 into cos alpha. Therefore we can say that Az by Bz is equals to half. And after dividing by cos theta, we get tan theta multiplied by sin beta minus cos beta divided by cos alpha plus sin alpha multiplied by tan theta. Hence lastly we get cos beta divided by 2 into cos alpha, and after some steps we get tan theta is equals to 3 into cos alpha cos beta whole divided by 2 into cos alpha sin beta minus sin alpha cos beta. Therefore the value of theta will be tan inverse 3 into cos alpha cos beta whole divided by 2 into cos alpha sin beta minus sin alpha cos beta. So this is the answer for the angle AZC. So that's all for today. And we Saras's classes provide different study materials and mock test series for I.S.I entrances, so you can join us, or you can check our website for further details, which is www.sarasclasses.com. And please subscribe our YouTube channel to get the notification first. Thank you very much.